Okay, y'all, so we finally made it back to the salon. And as I was telling y'all, we pulled a ghetto move. Like, we're literally driving down the street. I hate to even tell y'all. We were literally driving down the street holding this panel all the way to the salon. But anyways, we got it here, and that's all that matters. One thing I do know, every client that walked through that door better say something about this reception desk, because when I tell you we done been through hell and hot water for y'all. Period. Anyway, we're about to go ahead and put this desk together. So this is the paneling that we had to go get from Home Depot, and then all the other stuff is still in boxes. So we are about to put all of this together, and we'll be back to show y'all. Hey y'all, so these are 3 of the things that we got from IKEA, and I'll be sure to link all of these down below. But the cube shelf, you'll need one of those, of course, and then we end up with 2 of the inserts with the drawers in it, and then 1 with the shelf. And here, it really wasn't hard to put together at all, and of course it comes with instructions. So yeah, I just helped him basically lay everything out, and we put it up in no time. This is what it looked like once we put it together. And I know right now it still just looked like a cute shelf, but trust the process, y'all. It's definitely going to come together. Now we moved on to the inserts, and they were pretty easy to put together as well. They came with instructions too. It didn't take us too long to put all of those together. It's just so many little pieces, but like I said, you can definitely do this by yourself if you didn't have anyone to help you. And my mom came to help us, more so watch Cash, because y'all know he's a handful. And look at him throwing a fit. She's trying to distract him, and Kay is in her own little world, but we definitely got the job done. After my husband attached the drawers and we put the front piece that we got from Home Depot on, look at it, y'all. It is a whole reception desk. You can definitely do this by yourself and save hundreds of dollars. The only thing we have left to do is to get the glass cut for the top. I was gonna get a piece of glass from IKEA, but they no longer sell them for some reason. A few of the reviews that I read said that the glass was exploding, and we definitely don't want that. But look at it, y'all. It came out super cute. Like, I am in love with this reception desk, and you can put all of your, you know, paperwork or little gadgets, pens, all of that stuff in there. I hope you guys try. If you do, let me know in the comment section. I love y'all as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.